So I'm hearing a lot of things right on YouTube, man. A lot of YouTubers, they said tripping, they tripping. They talking about they Mustangs. It's just the fastest cars on earth. So y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Trucking NJs, man. So y'all at them in the comments and let them know they not messing with my Scat Pack, man. Let me go and let y'all hear the Cola story, man. Let y'all hear this, man. I'm just saying though, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all Mustangs sound like that. I'm just saying. And I hope y'all can hear it on camera, but I'm just saying though. Trucking with James, man. Y'all ain't messing with me. Shout out to Trucking Out the Box. I was about to say, y'all, man, we be watching y'all channel like all week long, man. Good shit with that dispatch, and that's some live shit. But Trucking NJs, I'm on your ass. Oh man. Nah, man, it's all friendly competition, man. It's all live, man. Shout out to Trucking NJs, man. Make sure y'all at them. Make sure y'all go subscribe to their page, man. Because like I said, they the one that really taught me how to back up. So they really taught me, you know what I'm saying, with the box trucks. But it's all good, though, man. Shout out to y'all, man. But I'm finna show y'all something real quick, man. Go on, cut it right now. We finna show them when we get there. You know what I'm saying? We out here, man. You know, I'm not even gonna be the one to hit the gas for y'all just to let y'all hear this, man. Deja, go on hit it, man. Let them hit it, man. Let them hit it. Let them hit it. Hit it one more time. That motherfucker sound mean. I'm gonna hit one thing for y'all, man. Then we gonna cut this video, man. We done. Hello, man.
I couldn't even see you.
I'm just saying though, man. That's just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little lit right now, so y'all gotta excuse me. But Trucking NJs, man, appreciate the shout out, dog, man. Y'all go subscribe to Trucking NJs, man. I just had to show out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit.